Steam says content file locked. Your game update is stuck, and you have no idea why. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step.
The content file locked error means Steam cannot modify a game file it needs to download, update, or uninstall. The Windows file system is blocking access, usually because of permission problems or antivirus interference. But there are multiple ways to fix this, and I'll walk you through every single one.
The first and easiest fix is to run Steam as administrator. Close Steam completely. Then right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam full permission to modify files. Now try your update again. This alone fixes about 80% of all cases.
If that didn't work, the next step is clearing Steam's download cache. Go to Steam Settings, then click on Downloads. Find the button that says Clear Download Cache and click it. Steam will restart and ask you to log in again. This removes corrupted temporary files that might be blocking the update.
Now let's verify the game files themselves. Head to your Steam library and right-click the game that's giving you trouble. Click Properties, then go to the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check every file and replace anything that's corrupted or missing.
Sometimes your antivirus is the culprit behind these file locks. Open Windows Security by searching for it in the Start menu. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then scroll down to find the exclusion settings. Click Manage Exclusions and add your entire Steam folder. This tells your antivirus to stop blocking Steam's file operations. Remember to re-enable your protection right away.
If a download gets stuck partway through, those corrupted temporary files can block future attempts. Close Steam completely, then open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder. Go to Steam Apps, then the Downloading folder. Delete the folder for the game that's stuck. This only removes temporary data, not your installed game. Restart Steam and try again.
This next fix is more advanced, but incredibly effective. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following command: ICLS, then the path to your Steam folder in quotes, followed by /reset, /t/c, and /l. This command resets file permissions across the entire Steam directory. Wait for it to finish, then restart your computer. This should resolve any stubborn permission issues.
Even though this error seems file-related, network stack issues can sometimes cause it too. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. You'll see a message confirming the reset. Restart your computer to complete the process.
If permissions are corrupted at the folder level, moving the game to a new library location can help. Go to Steam Settings, then Storage. Create a new library folder on a different drive or path. Select the problematic game and click Move. Steam will copy the game and apply clean permissions at the new location.
So why does this error happen in the first place? The most common cause is Windows permission corruption. Major Windows updates can silently change file access controls and revoke Steam's permissions. Antivirus software can also quarantine files mid-operation, triggering the lock. Corrupted cache data and disk errors can also trap files in a locked state. Understanding the root cause helps you prevent it from happening again.
To prevent this error from coming back, keep Steam whitelisted in your antivirus at all times. Never move library folders manually. Always use Steam's built-in Move feature. Run Steam as administrator every now and then to keep permissions healthy. And make sure your drive has plenty of free space. A healthy drive means fewer file errors. If all else fails, run system file checks like SFC Scannow to diagnose deeper issues.
That covers all the fixes for the content file locked error on Steam. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.